welcome to another show on the road. Dear viewer, we are on the parking lot as we speak, where we have some gentle snow and some gentle practicing. Keep it safe. Don't keep your guard down, not for even a second, because as soon as you get back on the busy road, you will see some very questionable choices, such as driving in reverse on a very traffic light crossroads. We learned that roundabouts are a very soft spot here in Balkans, or at least a niche. So if you have a two-wheeler, this is where they come in very handy.
Now guys, this is the weather where you should actually stick to the car and not use the bike, but me being me, I'm gonna try riding to work.
Dear viewer, this is the part where we need to excuse Stefan because he confused his Honda Transalp with some snow sledges.
Now I'm at the brink of giving up just because there was a icy storm of rain last night and we have ice below, so I'm feeling the tires are not listening to me at all. At all. And this over here, yes, this proves it. I cannot ride this. It's very, very slippery, very dangerous. Maybe on the main road.
Thank God there is still some common sense in my husband.
But the thing is, if for example I slip and I fall down during low speed riding, it will not be probably dangerous fall, but if some car hits me or catches me from the other side or something, that could be very dangerous. So this is a no-go. As you can see, this is definitely a no-go. It starts moving, the traction control is not giving me enough power. No power at all.
In some occasions you may be unsure if another biker needs your help or not, so a simple nod can communicate it very clearly.
Ovako čekanje za ovoki voz. Izete, brat.
Yes, Steffi, sometimes the wait is long.
A sad ti stane ovdje.
But safe is safe and don't question that. Dear viewer, if and when you find yourself in niche, please make sure that you are aware that sometimes your opponent, your race opponent, may not be human. That being said, the probability of you losing that race is high, so don't be surprised if you lose and just play along. I don't know what's this about, dear viewer. I think we're supposed to pay attention to this car. Please don't forget, I'm just a girl. Oh, we came to the part where Stefan's cup of patience reached its limits. But share with us, dear viewer. Comment section is open. Is this yay or nay? What do you think?
Uvijek stikom prvu levu traku sam s traktorom, malo. A ovo je stvarno legenda. Sad ćemo da vidimo trku, bajo moja. Ajmo. Op, ajmo.
And now we see why Stefan loves the left lane. Don't forget, 2 sets of eyes open always. As we came to an end of this video, we would like to remind you some decisions are simply pointless. So, count your blessings, don't waste your energy. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!